Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thuong. I'm a Vietnamese girl living in Da Nang. I'm having a vacation in my hometown, Nghe An province. So I will introduce to you how was Vietnamese countryside life. Sorry everyone for my strange voice. I have been talking a lot, so now my voice is hoarse. Currently, I'm having breakfast in front of the middle school gate in my hometown. My breakfast is sticky rice and fried egg. This dish costs 5,000 Vietnam dong, about 20 US cents. Breakfast for students here is banh mi or sticky rice. It's very cheap, about 20 US cents or 50 US cents. My older sister is selling sticky rice in front of the school gate. She sells from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is a school in countryside Vietnam. Behind my house are middle school, elementary school, and kindergarten. These schools are where I studied as a child. And this is the screen in front of my house. It's about 10 a.m. now, and I am going to prepare lunch. We will eat beef noodle and my mom will cook the food. I just need to prepare the salad. My mom has been a cook for over 30 years, and we used to have a noodle restaurant. Now my mom is getting older, so she doesn't open a restaurant anymore. Cooking beef stew noodle is my mom's forte. It's really delicious. My mom used to cook this food for Cruz, and he really liked it. Let's eat lunch with us. Itadakimasu. In the afternoon, my mom and I will go to the market. It is a local market about 10 kilometers from my house. countryside Vietnam, there are many markets open only the morning or only in the afternoon. This market is very famous for selling delicious seafood. That's why we are going there. My mom bought some fish, squid, and vegetable for dinner. Every time I go to the market, my mom and I always eat something. Today we will eat bánh bèo. I don't know it in English. Just like cherry tapioca dumpling. For dinner, my sister-in-law and I will cook. She also cooks very well. She is my classmate. They are squeezed with pineapple, pickle, and fried fish. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Thank you everyone for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!